Are you ready to tackle the gold standard for inpatient coding? Here's how to pass the AHIMA CCS exam. The Certified Coding Specialist, or CCS, is the most respected credential for inpatient hospital coding. It proves you can navigate a complex chart, assign accurate ICD-10, CM, and ICD-10 PCS codes, and drive reimbursement through the MS-DRG system. This is why major hospital systems specifically hire CCS-certified professionals. Unlike credentials focused on physician offices, the CCS validates the high-level skills needed for acute care settings, which is why it often commands a higher salary in the hospital environment. The CCS is a 4-hour exam taken in person at a Pearson VUE test center. It consists of 107 total questions, but only 97 are scored. The exam is divided into 2 distinct parts. The first is a multiple-choice section with 86 questions, covering everything from coding guidelines and compliance to reimbursement methodologies. The second, more challenging part, consists of 21 medical scenarios where you'll be given full or partial medical records to code. The passing score is 300. To succeed, you must understand the 5 content domains. The largest by far is coding knowledge and skills, weighted at 39 to 41% of your score. This domain tests your practical ability to assign codes, apply sequencing rules, understand modifiers, and use present on admission indicators correctly. It heavily focuses on the official ICD-10 guidelines for chapter-specific rules, such as those for sepsis or neoplasms, making mastery of the guidelines absolutely essential for a passing score. The biggest challenge for many candidates is ICD-10 PCS. Unlike other exams, the CCS requires you to build 7-character procedure codes from scratch using root operation tables. Memorization isn't enough. A reliable strategy is the why, where, how, what method. Before you even open a codebook, determine why the procedure was done, the root operation, where it was done, body system, how it was done, the approach, and what was left in place, the device. This systematic approach prevents common errors. The medical scenarios section is where many candidates run out of time. You'll be given full or partial medical records and must assign all applicable codes. These scenarios are not limited to one setting. AHIMA distributes them evenly across 3 distinct environments: inpatient hospital cases, outpatient same-day surgery, and the emergency department. This tests your ability to apply different coding rules and guidelines based on the specific care setting, making time management and broad coding knowledge critical for success. The CCS exam is challenging, but pass rates are improving. The official first-time pass rate was 84% in 2025, up from 64% in 2023. The most common reasons for failure are weak ICD-10 PCS table navigation and running out of time on the medical scenarios. Candidates also lose points on non-leading query format rules and making simple sequencing mistakes with the principal diagnosis. Focusing your study on these specific areas and taking timed practice exams can dramatically increase your chances of passing. Ready to start preparing? This guide is just the beginning. At Open Exam Prep, we have a full suite of free resources to help you master the CCS content. You can access full-length timed case scenarios, ICD-10 PCS drills sorted by body system, and quizzes on query compliance. Everything is 100% free. Visit openexamprep.com to start practicing today and turn your knowledge into a certification.